In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a new Venmo card. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll use Venmo's official support channels so you can request a new card or replacement quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Venmo support. From the results, go to the Venmo Help Center and open the Contact Us page. This is the central hub where Venmo lists all the ways to reach their team, and it's the safest place to start. On that page, look for the section labeled Connect with Support. You'll see your options to get in touch, including messaging and calling. Messaging is usually the fastest way to get help without waiting on hold. You can send a message through the website, or you can do it right from the Venmo app during their messaging hours. If you're using the app, their chat team is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. In the app, go to Get Help and then tap Chat with Us. When you start the conversation, clearly explain that you want to order a new Venmo card. If your situation is specific, like your card is lost, damaged, or you never received it, mention that up front. Have your account details ready for verification and confirm your current mailing address so they can send the card to the right place. It also helps to ask about estimated delivery time and whether tracking will be available. Keep notifications on so you don't miss a reply from support. If you prefer to talk to someone, you can call Venmo support. Phone support is available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. You'll find the call option and the official number right on the Contact Us page or within the app's help section. When you call, be prepared to verify your identity. For your security, only share information the agent asks for and avoid sending sensitive details through channels that aren't listed on the help center. Once you're connected, whether by chat or phone, explain your concern about ordering a new Venmo card and request the replacement. If your card was stolen, let them know immediately so they can take the appropriate steps to protect your account and get a new card issued. Before you wrap up, confirm any fees, the expected delivery window, and what to do if the card doesn't arrive on time. That's it. Use the Contact Us page to connect with Venmo, choose chat or phone based on the hours that work for you, and clearly request your new card. Follow these steps and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching and good luck with your replacement.